We need to test the head gasket on this 2.0T engine, and we're going to use this fluid tester and make a little tool that we can use to cycle the fumes through. Take a milk cap or some sort of cap that fits the coolant reservoir. In my case, I found this cap that just about fit. It was a little bit small, so I took some electrical tape around the edge, and that also gives it a really nice seal. And I put 2 holes in it, one for the air that's going to be coming out, and then one for the pump. I'll take some rubber hose, put it in the middle. This pump is for a soldering iron, and it's going to work really well as the pump bulb. Now this pump is just going to pump the air through this whole circuit, through the line, and we're going to have good circulation. I'll cut a piece of this line and put it into the beaker. I'll push it in place. We'll pour in some of the test fluid. We'll put the tube in, and we'll start the car. Now we'll start to circulate the air, just pump the air into it. If the fluid stays blue, that means you don't have any CO2 or carbon monoxide being introduced into the liquid. But if it turns yellow, you know you have a leak in your head gasket because carbon monoxide is getting into the fluid. You want to make sure that the antifreeze or the coolant doesn't follow this tube and contaminate the solution. I've seen some people do this system without the pump, but I just want some way to get air circulation, but it might not be necessary. About 10 minutes later, everything is looking the same. This is still very much blue fluid. So let me just show you what this looks like whenever it does come in contact with exhaust. You could breathe CO2 on it, or you could just put it near the exhaust. It's definitely a whole lot more of a green now, and we'll keep going until it's yellow. And after it's sitting by the exhaust for a little bit, you can see there's a huge difference in color from what the original blue fluid that it came from and turned into this yellowish green. Using this combustion leak test fluid, we did not detect any gases or CO2 inside of the coolant reservoir, so I don't suspect it's a head gasket, and we need to look for another problem that might be causing our coolant to disappear.